Hare Krishna, Jai Jagannath. So the air of Jagannath Rath Yatra is there. So first let us begin with the form of Jagannath. Because many of them are like confused why Lord has taken this form. And who is he? Big eyes, black personality. And then again there is big eyes, white personality. And there is big eyes and there is yellow color personality. So they are none other than Lord Jagannath, Lord Baladev, and Subhadra Mai. So the story goes like this: in the Dwapar Yuga, all the queens they went to Rohini Mata and told,
Mother, why is Krishna not happy? Every night he cries, calling Subrada, Sudama.
"Who are they?" Rohini Mata told, "I will tell, but on one condition. There should be somebody who is guarding, seeing that, ensuring that Krishna does not hear to this. Because if Lord Krishna hears this, he will run away from Dwarka to Vrindavan. So better is keep somebody as a guard." So it was Subhadra Mai who was kept on the doors, and the story started. The Leelas, the Bala Leelas, the Yauvana Leelas, which Rohini Mata has witnessed, because Rohini Mata was in Vrindavan. She is one of the wife of Vasudeva. So in this way, Rohini Mata started with Bala Leela, everything. And Subhadra Mai is so enchanted hearing the story that she does not even understand that Krishna has come and stood to her left, and Balaram has come and stood to her right. And all these three personalities, they are hearing their own stories. Who does not like to hear their childhood pastimes? Even if someone tells to us, in your childhood what you did? Hey, you urinated in your mother's lap. It means, yes, mama, like this. So everybody loves to hear their childhood pastimes. In the same way, Krishna also likes. So Krishna is so enchanted. When somebody is deeply engrossed hearing their own stories, what happens? They shrink their body. Their eyes are big. And in this way, three of them shrunk their body and they are hearing with a great rapt attention. So seeing this form, Narad Muni is so happy. He says, "Oh Lord, you are looking so wonderful," because at the same time Lord is crying also. Because here he is remembering Brajavasis. For him, the most dearest devotees are Brajavasis. Even in Bhagavad Gita, Krishna says, "Sarvadharman parityajya mamekam sharanam braja. Aham tvam sarva papebhyo mokshishyami ma shucha." You surrender to me in the mood of Brajavasis. That is why in this very subtle way, Lord has told about Braja. Because Brajavasis are very, very dear to Krishna. So when he is hearing about Brajavasis, their love for him, and his spending time in Vrindavan, his tears are flowing, Balaram's tears are flowing, Krishna's tears are flowing more. He is completely intoxicated. So Narada says, "Why don't you appear in this form in Dwarika?" Lord says, "Not now. When Lord Brahma completes his 50 years and the 51st year starts, that is the time I will be appearing in this form." So then, how this form manifested in this Kali Yuga? About that, let us see the story behind it. Because Lord has promised to Narada. So now there was a king. His name was Indradyumna. Many of the pilgrims used to come and tell about their visit to different holy places. So one of the pilgrim told, "There I saw Lord in Nilachal." I said, "What?" "Yes, Lord is there in Nilachal. So he's so beautiful." So he's describing about Neela Madhav. So Lord in the Lord's form in the previous millennium, that is the one day before, is that is 50 years complete. This person told Lord is there as Neela Madhav. So now Indradyumna was very eager to see the form. First he sends his minister Vidyapati. He goes and he finds that there are Shabar class of people. Shabar class means those who are tending the pigs. They were taking care of Neelamadha. But it was done very secretly. The head of that Shabar class, his name is Vishwavasu. He told, "See, I cannot show you Lord. You can stay in my house, you can be comfortable." But what happened in the meantime, this Vidyapati fell in love with Lalita, who is daughter of Vishwavasu. So they got married. Then he was telling Lalita, tell your father, na, take me to that place where Neelamadhav's worship is going on. But Vishwavasu completely rejected, no way. But this Lalita was just forcing father, no, you should take, he's my husband, he wants to see. He told, okay, I will do, but blindfolded. I'll take him on the way, he should be blindfolded. What he did, he took some mustard seeds and on the way he went on dropping. When the spot came where Neelamadhav's worship is there, he saw there was a crow which fell in a well and it got liberated. And he saw the beautiful form of Neelamadhav. He could understand the potency of this place. Immediately he left to Avantika. Avanti Raja he was, that is Orissa Raja, Avanti Raja. He went to Indradyumna and told, beautiful form of Lord I saw. What the pilgrim described is right. So then again, Indradyumna comes along with Vidyapati. Now, how will he track which route? By the time that mustard seeds, they grew to small saplings and they followed that route. And in this way, when Indradyumna is entering the place of worship, Lord disappeared. So he's crying, oh, I could not see the form. Then there was a celestial sound. Now, 51st year of Brahma is going to start. So I am going to, as my promise was there, I am going to appear in Jagannath form. So you go to the ocean and you will find 3 important logs of wood. One will have the mark of Shankha Chakra Gada Padma, that will be Jagannath wood, and one will have Hala and Mushala, that is club and plough, that will be Balaram's wood, and one will have lotuses, that will be Subhadra's wood. They are known as Daru Brahman. Daru Brahman means they are made of wood. The form itself, the Vigraha itself is made of wood. So Indradyumna took along with him many of his servants. They were trying to take out the wood. They could not lift. So many of them were required to just pick up the wood. And then he called his carpenter. He could not even put one nail. So what to do? So then celestial carpenter Vishwakarma appears. Now Vishwakarma told, see, I will be carving the deities. But the condition is you should not open the door. The moment you open the door, the work will be as it is. I will just leave the work and I will also leave. I will disappear. So, okay, Indradyumna and Gundicha, his wife is Gundicha. Both of them, they were just waiting outside the door. They could hear the sickle, the sound of the sickle, and they were pacified, something is going on. But nothing, he's not eating anything, he's not drinking anything. 7 days have passed. Now, Gundicha said, this old man, because he appeared as like an old man. This old man has not eaten anything, not drunk anything, and now see, we have even the sound is also not coming. Let us open and see what has happened to this old man. So they thought twice what to do, because he has told if you open in between. So then they thought, oh, something must have happened to this old man then. He must have fainted or he must have left the body. Something they felt like that, and then they opened the door. When they opened the door, they found Vishwakarma has disappeared. And the whole deities are just half hand, no legs. So Indradyumna and Gundicha started crying. Again, they could hear the celestial voice that Narada wanted to see this form, the shrunk form. So that is why I have appeared, and now 51st year of Brahma has started. So in this way we can find the mystery behind the wonderful form of Lord Jagannath. So when did Lord appear? When this form appeared in this earthly planet, that is the day of Jyeshta Purnima. Just now it happened, Jyeshta Purnima, which is also known as Snana Yatra. Generally in birthdays, what you do? You take nice bath, isn't it? So in Jagannath Puri, Lord is brought to the Snana Mandapa. In the temple, except for Hindus, nobody is allowed in Jagannath Puri. But Lord's mercy is, Lord comes out during this Snana Yatra, which is Jyeshta Purnima. So there, lots of pots are brought, all celestial rivers. The water from all the celestial rivers, they are used for giving bath to Lord Jagannath. Even in our Jagannath Devasthanam also, we celebrated Snana Yatra. So, when a lot of Snanam is happening, then what happens? The person catches cold, isn't it? So now Lord says, I have caught cold. Now I have fever. I just want to take rest. So for 15 days, Lord wants to take rest. generally it happens that when a husband does not give a time to his wife, then wife pressurizes. See, you're always giving time to everyone. Why don't you give time to me? Then what husband does? He just applies for a sick leave, isn't it? Even in Jagannath Puri also, the same story. Lord is king over there. Huh? So the king can be visited anytime by the subjects. So he has no time for Lakshmi ji. So Lakshmi always has a grudge that you are not giving time to me. Lord said, don't worry, let my birthday happen. After my birthday, I will keep time only for you, exclusively only for you. So on the day of Snani Yatra, that is on the day of Jyeshta Purnima, Snani Yatra, his appearance day, like we have Janmashtami, we have Ram Navami. So Jyeshta Purnima Snani Yatra day is the appearance of Lord Jagannath. That day, the Shringar is Hathi Vesh. You say, why Hathi Vesh? He will have soon. Jagannath and Baladev both will have trunk. Not Subhadra, both of them. So, why this form is there? There was a great devotee. He came to see Jagannath. For him, who is Lord? Who has trunk? Then he is Lord. When he saw Jagannath, he is not having trunk. Oh, he is not Lord. He is not the Supreme Personality of Godhead. He went back. But Lord Jagannath hears to everyone. So Lord told him in his mind that go back again and see me now. So when he comes back, he is surprised to see that Lord Jagannath has a trunk and big ears, elephant ears, and there Baladev also has big ears and the trunk. So he was so satisfied. So keeping the same Leela every year, on the day of Snani Yatra, Jyeshta Purnima, Lord dresses in Hathi Vesha. Now he has to give time to Lakshmi. So Anavasara period starts. That means from the next day. Lord is sick. For outsiders, Lord is sick. But inside, Leela with Lakshmi goes on. Only very confidential servants, they are allowed inside the altar who will feed him. Generally that time the food which is made is very simple because he is sick, na? He has told us that he is sick. So kadha and all those things are made. A sick person, one who has a fever, one who has a cold, that type of food is offered to him. So in this way that is known as Anavasara. Anavasara means I don't have time. No avasara. Anavasara period. Now here also you see in Jagannath Devasthanam, the temple is closed. The put is closed. But inside all the rituals, whatever the offerings, everything is happening. The worship happens. So during the Anavasara period, that is the first day after Jyeshta Purnima, his appearance day, till Netrotsav, special services are being done inside the altar. We know that he has no time now, so the put is closed. But another most important thing which goes on is painting of Lord Jagannath. So that also happens inside. Painting of Lord Jagannath, Baldev, Subhadra also happens. After 15 days, that means on the 15th day, Ashada Prathama, the put opens. So after a long time, the devotees are hankering to see this wonderful form, because in Kali Yuga, Lord appears as Jagannath. They are just hankering to see this form. So what is the perfection of the eyes, or what is the Utsava for the eyes? The Utsava for the eyes is taking darshan of Krishna. That is why Ashada Prathama is known as Netra Utsava. Netra Utsava day. The same day is also known as Gundicha Marjan. The morning hours, Gundicha temple. Just now we were discussing that Gundicha is the wife of Indradumna. Now both Indradumna and Gundicha, they decided they don't want any children. They just want Jagannath to be their child, because they don't want to share their property to their material children. They just want to use all their samarthya for Lord Jagannath. So now Lord is going to go from the temple to Gundicha's place. So now again there is a big story behind it that we'll do later. In Gundicha temple in Jagannath Puri, the deities are not there other days. So in the temple there may be dust and all here and there, but Lord is going to come there for 10 days. So that is why on the Ashada Prathama day, the whole temple is washed very nicely. Everything is cleaned, spick and span, because Lord is going to come there and stay for 10 days. So in this way, the put opens, and that is Netra Utsava for the devotees. They are hankering to see this wonderful form. So now, what is that wonderful story? Because Ashadha Dvitiya is the day when all the devotees are waiting, especially the devotees who cannot enter the temple because they are not Hindus. So everyone is waiting when Lord is going to come out, when is he going to sit on the Rath, and when we are going to pull the Rath. So the most awaited festival worldwide, everywhere, everybody comes to Jagannath Puri to pull the Rath of Lord Jagannath. So what is the story behind it? Why Lord comes out? Where does he go? So let us see. During the Dwapar Yuga, when there was solar eclipse, at that time, Lord, along with all his entourage, that is Dwarka Vasis, they come to Kurukshetra to take bath. Now the news has gone to Vrindavan Vasis. All the Brajavasis headed by Nanda Baba, Yashoda, Radharani, everybody comes to Kurukshetra. Oh, we are going to see Lord Krishna after so much long time. Till now we were just in separation. Let us all go there. So all of them come to Kurukshetra. So everybody goes and meets Lord Krishna, except for Srimati Radharani. She just stands in one corner. Then Krishna comes to her and asks, "Hey, why are you not coming to me? What happened?" She says, "You are the same Krishna. I am the same Radharani. But this place is not Vrindavan. Where is your morpunk, that is the peacock feather on your head? Why are you wearing this helmet? And why are you standing straight? You always stand in the three-bended form. Where is your flute? And you have come with all this Hathi, Ghoda, Palki, Jai Kanaiya, Lal ki. What is this form? Where are our cows?" That means this place is not Vrindavan. She just catches hold of Krishna's hands. And all the gopis, they all catch Krishna's hand and they are pulling him from Kurukshetra to Vrindavan. That means come out of this Aishwarya form, come to Madhurima form or Madhurya form. From the opulent form to the sweet form, that is known as Rath Yatra. So what is Rath Yatra? Bringing Krishna. Hey, what king you are? What Jagannath you are? Okay, Jag ke Nath or what? You are nothing for us. You are only Jag ke Nath. So this name Jagannath is actually given by Srimati Radharani when she was actually sarcastically speaking to him that, "Are you just Jagannath? Are you not Nath for us, Gopinath? Oh Gopinath, you come here. Enough of you being Jagannath." And in this way, they are pulling Krishna. So in the Rath Yatra, from Nilachal, that is from the temple which is known as Nilachal, to Sundarachal, that is a place where Gundicha's palace is there or temple is there. So Gundicha temple means the place that is considered to be Vrindavan. So bringing Krishna from Dwarika to Vrindavan, that is Jagannath Rath Yatra. So remembering that pastimes, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, who is Krishna himself in the mood of Radharani, he revealed what is actually Rath Yatra because he knows he is in the mood of Radharani. So he knows that is how Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, just 550 years before, when he comes, he took sannyas, he comes and resides in Jagannath Puri. That is the time he has revealed this festival. So bringing Krishna from opulent mood to Madhurima mood, this is Rath Yatra. And now, in Anavasara, he has given 15 days time to Lakshmi ji. Why? Okay, he wants to pacify Lakshmi ji, he wants to be with Lakshmi ji. But actually, he is trying to cover her up so that she will not ask where you are going. Because he has to go with his girlfriends, gopis. So he has to pacify his wife first. So then she is so pacified, she is so much in ecstasy that he says, I just want to go for some days to Vrindavan. Can I go? Yes, you can go, because she is now in ecstatic mood. So that is how, taking her permission, he comes out. And the devotees pull and bring him to Gundicha temple. Now it so happened. 1 day over, 2 days over, 3 days over, 4th day also over. Krishna has not come back. And now Panchami. This year, 16th is Rath Yatra. 19th is Hera Panchami. So on the day of 5th day is known as Hera Panchami. Lakshmi ji is very upset. Oh, my husband has not come. So what she does is, she sends all her associates and they go with Danda and all. And they go with Danda, they scream, they shout, they fight with Brajavasis. Hey, he is our Krishna. Why are you keeping them? Then Krishna sees, oh, they are coming and fighting. So Krishna comes. Again Krishna says, don't worry. I'm going to come back. Just give me another 2-3 days. Just I'm going to come back. In this way, he somehow pacifies Lakshmi's associates and they go back. And again, Krishna is spending another 5 days. So the last day, which is on 24th of this year, that is known as Ulta Rath. That means bringing Krishna back from Vrindavan to Dwarka. So in this way, Krishna comes back from Vrindavan to Dwarka. Now Lakshmi ji is very upset. She allows Balaram inside, Subhadra inside. She tells Krishna, you be outside. Even today this Leela happens. They shut the door. They don't allow Krishna to come. So Krishna is standing outside. How to pacify Lakshmi? So rasgullas are offered. Everything is offered. But still Lakshmi ji is not pacified. Then Krishna says, okay, dress me in gold. That is known as Sonar Vesha. So he is dressed in gold and he dances before Lakshmi. And seeing this enchanting, beautiful form of Jagannath, Lakshmi ji is pacified, and in this way, Jagannath enters back to the temple. So the devotees who cannot see Lord for the whole year, they are now satisfied seeing Lord during Snan Yatra, during the 10 days his stay in Gundicha where everybody is allowed, but and during also Rath Yatra. But in other times, nobody can see him except for the Hindus. Hare Krishna. This year, from our Jagannath Devasthanam, we are celebrating on the main day. Our Jagannath Devasthanam is outpost of our Mira Road temple. Mira Road temple is our main branch. So morning hours, that means 2 o'clock during the day hours, it is going to happen in Mira Road. And then we have got a special permission. In the evening hours, we will be doing Rath Yatra here. So on 16th July, Lord Jagannath Baldev Subhadra will be sitting on our Rath, and this year our Rath is going to be redecorated with wonderful fiber materials, and in this way it will look like the Rath Nandi Ghosh which is there in Jagannath Puri. Jagannath Rath is known as Nandi Ghosh. So our decoration will be in similar like that, and 16th will be here. 19th, which is Hera Panchami, that day it will be in Kandivali. Our Jagannath Baldev Subhadra will go to Kandivali. In our Kandivali also, wonderful devotees are doing a lot of hard work to make the festival successful. And then same Lord will go to Kalyan, where we have Ulta Rath. That is on 24th July. So all the 3 festivals, all the devotees from Thane, Kalyan and different places, everybody are working hard because our preaching extends to Powai, Chembur, to different places where we get an opportunity to preach. All are serving Lord by contributing, by doing physical services. So in this way, we request all of you to take part in Thane Jagannath Rath Yatra, Kandivali Jagannath Rath Yatra and Kalyan Jagannath Rath Yatra. Hare Krishna. This is our Prasadam hall, and our Prasad for the devotees is made in this kitchen, and we can see that we ensure cleanliness, and also we give only organics, organic oil, and no white sugar, no white salt. We only use pink salt and khada shakkar, mishri you see. So in this way, your dal, haldi, everything is of organic only. I am one of the director of organics, so that is why I get it in a very concessional rate also. So we take this advantage and use it for the devotees who come and honor Prasad here. Hare Krishna. Ekadashi Bhogas, which was made for Lord Jagannath. And here we have Ras Malai, which is made from happy cow's milk. We only use Deshi Gir cow milk. What you saw today, this is in a small quantity, isn't it? But even in a huge quantity, for 4,000, 5,000 crore, we only use Deshi Gir cow milk. Hare Krishna. At a time, at least 150 devotees can honor Prasad here. So, in spite of this being in a nice forest place, but you can see there is no mosquito, there is no flies. We maintain hygiene and cleanliness. Hare Krishna. This is a Pujari room, this is our guest room. This is our DT kitchen. The bhogas go from here. Only initiated devotees are allowed inside the kitchen, and Brahman initiated devotees will be cooking, and the first initiation devotees will be assisting the head cooks. Hare Krishna. Every day we bring flowers, and our devotees who are initiated, they make flower garlands for the Lord. Fresh flowers are brought every day. Once the metro starts, everybody will get opportunity to see the Shikhar.